Hi guys, welcome again. Another science and principles question. We're going up to 10 by the way. This one is question 7. So close. Let's have a look what it says. In the triangle shown, the angle marked theta is 36.8 degrees, 41.4 degrees, 48.6 degrees, or 53.1 degrees. Right, I'm just going to redraw that on the board. So we've got a triangle. Here's our hypotenuse. We've got an angle marked theta. We're not sure what that is. This side we've got 3 meters, and that side we've got 4 meters. So almost certainly about trig, this one. So let's remind ourselves of our basic trig functions. There you go. SOHCAHTOA, that's how you remember it. There are other ways of remembering it, but I got told off for saying that on one of the other videos. Look it up. What does it mean? It means the sine of the angle can be found by doing the opposite over the hypotenuse. Just going to shorten it to height. The cosine of the angle, so here, that's the C, is equal to the adjacent over height. And then we've got the T, which is the tangent of the angle, is equal to the opposite over adjacent. So let's just get our heads around what opposite, height, adjacent, all that means. So the hypotenuse is always the slopey side. It's the longest side of a right angled triangle. It never changes. However, the opposite and the adjacent do change. And here's how I recommend you remember it. Turn this into a little eyeball. Ooh. He's a teacher, because look, he's all tired. Turn it into an eyeball. Now, this is opposite the angle. So in this case, this is the opposite. And this one, this side, is next to or adjacent to the angle. So in this case, this is adjacent. What if the angle was up here? Well, it flips. So the eyeball would be looking this way, and now this would be the opposite, and that would be the adjacent. So it's important to make sure you get that right, otherwise you just, wrong from the start really. So, which one are we going to use? We haven't got the hypotenuse, so that kind of rules out this one and that one. And the only one, logically left to use is tangent. So this is the equation we'll use in this case. So tan of the angle, which isn't the angle, it's the tangent of the angle, is equal to the opposite, root 3, divided by the adjacent, 4. So 3 over 4, what do you think that might be? Yes, it's 0.75. 3/4, isn't it? So 0.75, but that's not the angle, so it's not stopped yet. What we need to do is do the inverse of that, so tan to the -1 of that ratio, 0.75, and then we'll get the angle. And it says the angle is 36.8698965. So that's 7, 8, that's 0, 7, 9, 6, 7. So that's a I don't know, none of them are actually right, because, you know, I'll make that 36.9. .9 degrees. Now if we look back at the answers, one of them's 36.8. I'm assuming it's probably that one. But yeah, I have seen a few questions that are a little bit like that, and they can throw, you know, students off, but just remember, you know, out of all of them, that is the closest one, so still click it if it comes up, because you don't want you to get marks wrong, even though you're right. Mad world. Anyway, the answer's that, and that's how you get there. That's my bit done, I'm sure. It's on to City and Guilds and the AL to sort that out. Have a nice day, and I'll see you on question 8. See ya.